Okay, so coil replacement time. Got my new one right here. Got a new spark plug. Robbed the spark plug cap from another coil I had sitting around. You can see it looks fairly similar to the previous one. Not exactly, because it's not a genuine Honda part, but we're gonna go ahead and get this new one bolted up. It looks like it's just a couple of bolts there that need to be swapped out, and we'll get this thing mounted and we will see if it will fire. So here we go. Coils in, took all about 30 seconds to swap that out. Now I just got to figure out how to wire this thing to make it fire. Again, I don't have a battery, so we're gonna try jumping just the negative and positive battery wires, and we'll see what that does, if we can get it to spark that way. This is probably gonna be kind of hard to follow, and I apologize for that, but let me walk you through how I've got this thing wired up. So, coming out of the stator, we still had the actual wiring intact from there. So that's hooked up. You got a yellow wire and a green and red wire. Those are neutral light, headlight. Don't need those. Not doing anything with those. Then you got the battery hookup, okay, right here, which has white wire coming from the stator going into it, and then you got some ground wires leaving it, blue and black and things like that, and then you got the red wire that's going to red wire, white wire going to the rectifier. This other red wire was coming off there. I don't know if that was stock or not, but basically I just tied that to the ground, okay, and then we've got from the stator the black and white wire goes to the new coil right there, and then the points go to the split off of that, and then we've got like a ground wire and the other split from that black and white wire going up to a engine on off kill switch up here. I can't get to focus on it, but whatever. Okay, so that's our setup right now. This is all the junk that I was able to get rid of. So basically all this wiring down here, that's all just lighting. Headlights, tail lights, neutral lights, turn signals, whatever. Don't need any of that. This little bad boy right here, that's the turn signal flasher, so got rid of it, don't need it. And so with any luck here, we're getting some spark, and we'll see what happens. Oh, spark! We got spark. We've got spark. All right.